Hi, myself Rahul. I've come from Canada, mostly from Toronto, to learn CCNA course here at IONX. I chose this institute because I felt that this institute is from my friends as well as I saw the reviews on Google. And when I came here, I found the atmosphere very pleasant. Means the way they teach is very nice. Even the lab facility is too good, and you can say if you learn CCNA from here, not only CCNA, whole networking pattern, CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, then you will feel much more worthy that you will be able to get a good job from this pattern. As far as I am concerned, I just did fast track course of 14 days, and that was worth it, you can say worth it. And I loved the way they taught me and the lab work what they did. Even the, you can say, the other students who were learning over here, they felt like, you can say, family kind of thing. You won't feel like you are studying from a professional kind of thing. Means people are treating you like just they take your money and they teach you, but here you will feel like family. They are teaching you as if they are teaching their family members, means brothers and sisters. So you will feel like too much comfortable when you study over here in IONX Institute, that you will make your career in a very brilliant way. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much.